Late Night Snacks, where I take my kids' favorite late night snacks and turn them into gourmet little treats. I'm Chef Donkey, and tonight we are making something spicy. Take 10. Ladies and gentlemen, the actor and musical superstar, Finley!
He did that eventually. It took a couple takes.
And his secret girlfriend that we all knew from 99 to Bit Finley! First thing that we're gonna do is make...
There's the chef spinning the knife on the table.
Yeah, that we're not allowed to touch.
Right.
Biddy, well...
I'll be showing you how to oil up a tortilla.
And then we're gonna crisp them up. And Mr. Finley here, the skilled one out of the two, is gonna.
I don't think so. We can't even cut an avocado.
Making the up. And then
These are a bit tough, aren't they?
Mix it round, stir it
I
up.
just need a cup.
Right,
There we
go. I'm a chef
So where did you work, Bid?
in the kitchen in my house.
Just before this, she told me
I'm a chef.
I'm a professional chef.
I am.
By the way, that was 5 sprinkles instead of 2, just because we like it a bit.
Right, why is the knife so big? I'm a chef. We need like a smaller, sharp knife.
This is a professional chef's knife.
So on today's show, we're gonna be.
How have I just lost my show to this lady here?
Because I'm a chef.
I'm taking.
She's still a chef.
I'm a chef.
I do a mean beans on toast, so this is a bit much for me. I have been instructed to put this in the fridge.
Go, don't be so precise with it. Just lay
You
it in.
said lay it thinly.
Yeah. Not lay on Finley.
Finley, just put the avocado in the fridge.
I'm looking what's in your fridge.
We're putting layers of this in a little tray now, and then Biddy is gonna serve it in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 to 15 minutes to dry this up and turn them into crisps.
On the top shelf.
There's one shelf.
Yeah.
This is spicy, so Jason said I'll end up on the loo.
We are gonna do now
I'm doing it now.
the beef side.
I'm just cutting onions.
Talk about olive oil. It's there.
Biddy is gonna slice some onions. We some onions, some garlic. Have you peeled the garlic before?
Yes.
No, you haven't.
Do you cook at home?
No.
Yes, I'm always cooking.
Oh God, Finley.
Oh my God, I'm
I'm
crying.
not stressed.
I'm crying. This is killing me. Look, Finas.
Oh. It's just like when you got put out the show.
How did you feel about going out on a team challenge?
I feel like I was wronged.
I thought you're gonna make it quite far
How
in the
many
show.
times did you finish first?
Like every time before that.
You need to put the fucking garlic and the chili in. So Biddy, I'm gonna go in a bit more with our magic dust.
Yeah, if you could just add a bit of that. Thanks. Yep, lovely.
It's her show. Just so you know, it's her show.
Oh.
Oh. Do you want to put your meat in my pan? No? I'm a chef!
Yeah.
This is called a one-pan pot, quick and easy.
1 pan pot.
Look at this, look at that.
Wouldn't trust you with my meat. Shout out to Clyde. You guys haven't seen an episode until you get Clyde in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Come and get Clyde in the kitchen.
How's she doing?
Don't know that.
I'm not even joking, man. Me and Finley is just here for entertaining purposes.
Yeah.
Biddy's taking over the show.
I'm just here for the chat.
Well, I'm here to show you how to cook. I'm a chef! We could do a bit more salt as well.
Oh, but then what more? D-A-N-I-B. Chuck that in there.
You need a spoon.
Yeah.
Donkey.
Oh, I would have just...
Jesus Christ. He can sing, cooking. Today, this is the recipe he will remember for the rest of his bloody life. This is how she cooks curry.
You're not wrong.
So, I'm gonna put 2 more peri-peri chilies in. Apparently, this is not hot enough. Birmingham, they like spice. And
Scotch bonnet?
Oh!
No, it's not! 2 more peri-peri chilies in there. Then a stir on.
You won't go wrong if you follow what I say.
Well, remember you got that?
But then I got kicked out of my bloody own kitchen.
We're still to make the new ones.
That extra 2 chilies.
No,
seals
I still
the
don't
deal.
taste it. Jason, tell us how this sauce is made.
This is a basic Mornay sauce. So
This is how we do it.
150 grams of butter, 150 grams of flour. grams of milk.
And,
And
8
lots of
spoon
cheese.
of Biddy stirring it.
And a bit of stirring shit, yes. I think she's just angry for leaving the show early.
I think she is.
I'm a chef!
In with it all!
Not that, the grater.
Give me a fucking knife to put it in!
Look, man.
I'm not
these
gonna put it in
people
fucking
are
bread.
a
Well, you
health
don't
and
like
safety
it.
hazard.
It looks
Oh my
nasty.
god, look at all that cheese. Let's go.
Well,
Comment below if you think me and Finners are a married couple.
So,
too
this-
many cooks.
Spoil the broth.
Somehow, we made it to this stage. Cooked everything.
It's been a
Just
day.
need to plate. Been a day. Jesus Christ. Imagine trying to host these two donkeys.
And me, we've had a right bollocking behind the scenes.
We've been shouted at, bollocked.
As you see this,
Used and abused.
we still have a bit of Jason Color ones on here. And the first on is, but if you grab the beef and spread it on there evenly over there, then make a few slices of these.
Right, are you wanting me
How
to...
you? Yeah, halves or quarters.
Oh.
Always salt them. It makes them sweeter.
Oh.
Oh, alright.
Betty, can we spread some cheese over?
Of course, I'll
over
just
here?
go and get that.
Yes, please. Why is there a tomato in there?
A what?
A tomato.
What's going on?
I can't anymore. Can we sauce
Yeah,
the
sure.
nacho cheese sauce over everywhere evenly while this guy play with the tomatoes?
No,
which
I'm
I
putting them
don't-
in the salt!
Oh,
I'm rubbing them about!
be liberal with the cheese. We want a lot of cheese.
It's nacho business tonight.
This is parmesan. It's always been what?
I'm a chef.
Oh, please,
And
not
this
the
is-
coriander.
Oh no, I love coriander.
Oh.
I love coriander.
You're gonna have to fucking eat it on this coriander.
I'll just pick it off.
Oh God, you're not one of them. Yeah, do you know, a small amount of them lifts a dish. A lot of them makes the dish taste a bit.
Have we got any more that I can have on the
soapy.
side?
We've got an amazing dish, guys. You've made this, so if this not turned out well,
It's our fault.
Don't look at me.
Go back to the clip. If you follow every step I say.
You cannot get it wrong.
so this should be perfect.
Yes.
This should be perfect. Okay, go on.
No, it's too hot.
Stop talking shit.
Are you not gonna try? Well,
I am. Of course I am.
I'm not
gonna
going for
try.
any coriander.
So,
Oh, I am.
and this is the late night snack of Biddy, the old Irish lady, and our superstar, our superstar singer.
Excuse you, I picked fudge.
Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful Biddy! And our local superstar, Finley. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much for coming on the show. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much. And
Get it, Mr. James.
it's been such a great pleasure
been
cooking
comical.
with you guys.
It's been-
And I had way too many
A lot.
rum and cokes. And look at what they've done. And now you guys go and
Right.
try and replicate this recipe with all the chaos that they've done. Here's the burnt ones.
You get out, my baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, Finley! Biddy! Oh my God!
Yeah, tell him
does
again.
that.
I'm a chef.
Hang on a minute. Have you even checked your nachos yet?
No.
It's dead.
Oh my God! It's amazing.
Do
It was.
We have to do all of that again. Do you guys know that, yeah?
I'm gonna kill myself.
Are you
Don't
gonna
put it
give us
from that height. Are you silly?
a little song?
Closer.
Are you gonna
This
give
is
us-
how you cook.
Oh
This
my
is what you've been
God.
eating. Beans on toast for 26 years. Can you do this where, like, you know, when you jump into the TikTok, so just imagine
Oh God.
jumping into the kitchen. 1, 2, 3.
Let's just start vomiting. And that's a wrap. Oh my God.
I'm a chef.